Hello everyone, it's Marek here from stratever.com and welcome to my Speedlir review. Speedlir is a software which, with its first to market revolutionary SPR static conversion tech, which dramatically speeds up and secures existing WordPress sites and cloud affiliate pages with just a few clicks. What it's Speedlir all about? Speedlir goes to your link simulating a web browser, so your page is rendered exactly the same as for people viewing your page. Then Speedlir downloads your page to its cloud server and fires up SPR static conversion tech. In the first step, SPR tech processes everything that is on the page and then places a static version of all your page's assets, including all images, on lightning fast hosting. In step 2, Speedlir Tech takes the page, resizes all the images for mobile viewing, and creates a separate mobile version of the page. And that's the way how your site will be lightning fast. Right now we are here on my bonus page, and if you purchase the software through my link, through one of these yellow links here, so I have prepared some bonuses for you and we'll have a look at it right now. So bonus number 1, you can get access to SMC traffic training. Bonus number 2, it's John Armstrong's email marketing course. Bonus number 3 is how to explode your SEO course. Bonus number 4, get massive traffic to your Speedlir site using this. And bonus number 5 is a special bonus, all vendor bonuses. Before we jump into members area and I will show you some demo of it, how it works, let's have a look at prices and upsells. So at the front end you can get Speedlir with the downsell option for $24, where you can access the powerful Speedlir software and all training modules. Then it's upsell number 1, Speedlir Pro, where you can 10x number of websites and pages plus more features. Upsell number 2 is a Speedlir agency license for $67, where you will get unlimited websites and pages and 4x bandwidth and 5 sub-users. Upsell number 3 is a Speedlir Global for $27, which will automatically translate page to viewer browser language. So if guy is from Germany, so you will get German language. Upsell number 4. Upsell number 4 is a Traffic App for $27. Upsell number 5, Traffic App Pro for $47, and upsell number 6 is a Traffic App Agency for $47, where you can get tons of templates plus more monthly. Let's have a look at some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Is the SPR static conversion technology, dramatic speed increase, protection against WordPress security holes, and advanced DDoS attack protection. All of this is covered by a no question asked 30-day money back guarantee. Right now here I have the Speedlir demo, where we can
Hi there, it's Robert, and in this
look at this demo.
I will show you how easy and quick Speedlir is to use. Step number 1 is to add your web.
You can have a look at this demo yourself on my bonus page and check it out. This is nicely explained. I have access into the members area also, where is a part with your websites. Your websites attached into software. Here you will download your plugin for your WordPress sites. This plugin works only for WordPress sites, so you can't attach it to some outside apps or some external systems, but it works with WordPress. Now you have sub accounts here. It's an option for your 5 sub users when you purchase upsell. You have tutorials part here. So it should be ready from tomorrow. And here you can contact support. So that's basically it. That's all my bonuses ready for you to grab with the purchase of the Speedlir. Just click one of these yellow buttons here and you'll be ready to go. So thank you very much for watching my quick Speedlir review, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.